Everyone, welcome to Quick and Easy Cooking. Now today I'm going to do Zatarain Spanish rice, and it's perfect with any type of Spanish meal, Mexican meal that you're having. If you're having enchiladas, if you're having tamales, fajitas, tacos, it's perfect to go with any type of meal. So today I'm going to make Zatarain Spanish rice. Now the ingredients that you will need for this is 1 box of Zatarain Spanish rice. You will need 1 can of petite diced tomatoes, and I have a 14.5 ounce can. You will also need butter and some water. And this is going to be the perfect Spanish rice to any type of meal that you're having. And it's quick, it's easy, and it's delicious. Now, when you open up the box of Zatarain right here, of the Spanish rice, it looks like this. It comes like this. So when you open it up, it looks like that. But the smell, the spices, they smell absolutely wonderful. They really do. I have our Zatarain rice right here, Spanish rice. And what you're going to do is you're going to open up this can of petite diced tomatoes, and you're just going to, you can use any type of can of your choice and just add it in. Okay, so you're going to use the whole can, juice and all. See this? There's our rice. I have 1 cup of water right here. And then I also have a 1/2 cup of water. There we go. I've added 1 tablespoon of butter. Now what you're going to do is you're going to put this onto the stove on like medium heat, medium-high heat, and then you're going to bring to a boil, and it says reduce heat to low. Cover and simmer for 25 minutes until rice is tender. I stirred the sun up, and just look at this. See how good that looks? This tastes is really, really good. If you guys haven't tried this, try it. It is really, really good. Now, you also want to, if you don't have this in your area, you can order this online at Amazon. And you can get it there. Now, look how good that looks, you guys. This is our Spanish rice. See that? And the flavors that are in this and the seasonings is wonderful. Like I said, you can have this with any meal. You can have it with tacos. You can have it with enchiladas. You can have it with fajitas. You name it. You can have this with any type of meal, and it's very, very good. And it didn't take a lot of ingredients to make. Alright everyone, look at our Zatarain Spanish rice. This is absolutely wonderful. This is perfect for any type of dish that you have, whether it be tamales, whether it be enchiladas, tacos, fajitas. It just goes with any type of dish. Now I want to thank everybody for watching my video of my Zatarain Spanish rice. It's easy, it's quick, it doesn't require a lot of ingredients. You saw how simple it was to make, and this is perfect for any type of dish. Please click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that way every time I come on you know. And if you're watching this video for the first time, I would love to have you as part of my YouTube family. Thank you for watching our video. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Now definitely make some Spanish rice. This is very, very good.